Ronan.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. We're gonna do some letter stories.
Be
Okay?
Pepper.
No, you point. Point. I'll point. I'll point. Ready? Let's start with this one.
S.
No,
T.
no, no.
Tat.
T what?
T. Tat. Mint.
T top mant. Okay. What's this one?
Be Bat.
B bat what?
Be Bat.
B bat ba. That's right. What about this one? Up here.
O octopus R.
O octopus ah. Good.
What
about this one?
F fun.
F fun.
N N.
No, that's an M.
M man.
M man. You're right. What about this one? Do you remember? Look at it. Look up here.
What is it again?
You remember. Look.
Man.
No, look. Watch my finger. It starts like this.
I can't remember.
I'll give you the word. Ready? Cat.
Sea cat.
Sea cat. That's right. Good
Time
job.
to be done.
Good job. High five.